I've been reviewing the PC Financial Mastercard throughout 2025, and it continues to be a solid no-fee credit card for Canadians who shop regularly at Loblaw stores. It's especially appealing for those who want to earn PC Optimum points on everyday spending without paying an annual fee. The PC Financial Mastercard comes in 3 tiers: the standard PC Mastercard, the PC World Mastercard, and the PC World Elite Mastercard. All of them earn PC Optimum points, but the earning rates improve as you move up the tiers. The standard card offers points on groceries, pharmacy purchases, and fuel at Esso and mobile stations. The World and World Elite versions come with additional perks like higher earn rates and some limited travel benefits, but they do have income requirements to qualify. One of the biggest advantages is how seamlessly the card integrates with the PC Optimum Rewards program. You can redeem your points at stores like Shoppers Drug Mart, No Frills, Real Canadian Superstore, and Loblaws. It's straightforward to use, and the value of the points is consistent. 10,000 points equals $10 off your purchase. However, redemption is only allowed in those partner stores, which may limit flexibility for some users. The downside is that the card doesn't offer premium perks like airport lounge access, travel insurance coverage, or mobile protection, which you might find on other reward cards. Customer support is another area where experiences vary, with some users reporting delays or difficulty resolving disputes. If you're someone who shops regularly at Loblaw banner stores and wants to earn reliable rewards without paying annual fees, the PC Mastercard is definitely worth considering. But if you're looking for broader benefits or more versatile point redemption, there are other cards that might offer more value overall. If this review helped you decide whether the PC Mastercard fits your lifestyle, be sure to like the video, share it with someone comparing credit cards, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.